my god, like I can, when the hell do I start off a video with the wig on? Like who the hell do I think I am right now, you guys? Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I'm doing this video today. Like, I'm so excited for this video because not only I'm a huge Jaclyn cosmetic fan, I'm just so obsessed with her makeup and I love her makeup. I think her makeup is literally like top 5 for me. In this studio today, you guys, we do have the new collection from Jaclyn Hill. But before we start, I was thinking about like kind of like doing like a very like natural beat today, and you guys, I have been seeing, so I don't watch TikToks, but I know people have been watching TikToks, and I was on Patrick Starr's story the other day and I was looking at it, and he did this demonstration where he actually only used this powder as foundation, which by the way, like in the whole cosmetic beauty showgirl world, whatever you want to call it, we would be terrified. So I am today gonna go ahead and see if I can do that. Like I'm gonna see how much coverage this powder does. He was so nice enough to send so many of these over. The only thing that I've been using these for are just touch-ups. Like I've been putting them in my purse, just lightly touching up, but I've never actually used it as an actual foundation powder. I'm so nervous because like I cannot believe I'm about to do my makeup with no liquid foundation and beauty blender. Like what? I don't even know how I'm gonna highlight. But you guys, my brow's ready. My hair is on temporary for today because I'm only gonna wear this wig for this video. But other than that, let's go ahead and do this quickly unboxing. So as I pull the PR out, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button. Also make sure you guys hit that bell button. It does notify you guys when I do have a new video. So this is it, you guys. Bougie Rouge from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. We have it in the studio. Thank you so much to Jaclyn and the team for sending this over. I am so obsessed with this vibe. Like I'm getting bougie. Like I'm getting bougie. Like I mean, I don't know how other way you would package something to kind of represent something bougie. Now do I know why she picked Bougie Rouge? I don't know. But rouge, I would say, because it's like a blush line. So it's like rouge, rose, like pink, and just those colors, you know? So let's go ahead and pull the PR out. She does have her infamous note. And then here you guys go, 2 palettes of blushes. So I'm very excited because okay, so let me put this down. I am still obsessed with the Head Rush blush. This is by far my favorite blush combination ever. Like I literally use this every freaking day. Like I do not miss a mark when it comes to this blush. House Labs, they sent so many of this over, I want to say like last year, and it was just like my blush that I go to. I'm super bronze, so obviously you guys, I like more orangey, more of those bronzy colors. I tend to kind of not use a lot of pink, just because pink on me is just not it. But today I might try some pink, so I don't know. So let's go ahead and pick up the top, and on the bottom of the PR we do have a full color set. Here we have some, these are like cream blushes, lips. I want to say these are lips. Maybe they're like stick blushes? I don't know. Let's see. Nope, they're lips. Just kidding. They're lips. We have 5 new lip shades, which I'm gonna play with today. And then we do have these guys, which by the way, I have never seen anything like this. I mean, obviously like luminous powders and loose powders are very popular to a lot of people, but you know, for me, like I rarely use them. Luminous Rouge, this is a blush loose powder. Very excited about that. I've actually just, you know, I've just never seen anything like that before. So that's super dope that she came out with that. So this is the full color set. So I want to show you guys the palettes because I'm totally fucking gagged. Like I'm not playing around. I'm like super gagged. The last time I've ever used a blush palette was like when I used to work for MAC like ancient years ago. And that was when I was able to create my own blush palettes. And so it's nice to have a blush palette again, because looking around in my studio, I don't have one. And if I do, they're tucked away and I just don't care about them anymore. But you guys, first palette, this is called Rouge Romance. So you guys ready? Bada bing, bada boom. Let's take off the clear plastic. How gorgeous is this coloration? Like this coloration is just spectacular. Like I love the vibe. I love the orange. I love the pink. It's soft. This color, this color, this color. I'm so scared to wear that. But we might try it on today. So this is the second palette. This is called Rouge Affair. So when you guys are purchasing this, you guys, they are different names. So, oh, actually, okay, so they both look the same, okay? So both palettes look the same completely in the front, but in the back, you can definitely choose the different palette you guys want by the name. So this one's called Rouge Affair. Rouge Affair, let's take off the clip plastic. And then bada bing, bada boom. pinks, girl. Oh my god, can you guys imagine I put this on my face? I'm like so scared of this color forever. It's so stunning though. I mean, this pink is just, let me just swatch it real fast. I mean, come on, like how gorgeous is that? But yeah, this is super dope. I am honestly gonna be honest with you guys. I'm definitely gonna try this one on. So let's get this going. So I am so excited. My hair is back. We're gonna go ahead and see what this one size powder is all about, because like I said, I've been really like calming down on like full coverage. I used to just always pack on makeup all the time, and as I'm just doing shows every day, you know, it's just it gets very tiring. I actually think I'm medium dark 4. Like, what do you guys think? Okay, well, we're just gonna try it. So should I prime? I think I should prime, right? Yeah, I'm just gonna prime. USD Ea has this amazing primer called the Pear Canvas Primer. I usually use this primer if I don't want something so serious. Like, this is like my serious primer. Like, and the reason why I say non-serious, meaning like I'm not gonna do anything really crazy. I'm just gonna put a little moisture tint and then call it a day. That's pretty much what I would use this primer for. I wouldn't really use it for a show because it doesn't really do what I need it to do to go do a show or just be out like all night. And then what I like to use is ONESIZE. This is the blur, Secure the Blur. And I take a little bit of this and I just kind of like press it on my cheeks, nose, and forehead, just to kind of give those areas a little kick. I really do like this primer because it just really does hide your pores. And you guys know I have pores. I love them. I love my pores. Like, oh, I mean, who does not love pores? Come on. So it's going to get like that. Oh, look at that. Look at my lace, girl. See, girl, when I put my wig on fast, it's just so messy, but you gotta get the point, right? So in the video, he did use a brush. There was a brush involved. I'm gonna use medium dark 4 and I'm gonna use medium 1 neutral as a highlight. Basically what that means is there's gonna be 2 of the same product, different shades. So in the video, I did see him use like a brush for this product. So we're gonna see. Okay, so taking a brush, I'm gonna use this one. Like, it's small, it's puffy, it's just gonna do it for me, I guess. All right, so I'm just gonna take this. Let's see, I hope it's the same color. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, wow. I'm not mad at it. Okay. Coverage-wise, I want to say it's like medium to full. Maybe I'm not using the right brush, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I really am not mad. As I'm going, I'm putting in more. Look at this, the different size, you guys. Okay. I'm okay with the color. I'm not like mad about it. Is it the right color? I don't think so, but I mean, girl, y'all know I'm a makeup artist, bitch. I can get this poppin'. Okay, so I'm gonna change the brush and let's kind of see like what else it does. Let's see how this one goes on, because I'm telling you, on his story, it was like butter. Okay, see, so I don't like this brush. That's not it for me. I'm just gonna like really just dust it. And you know what? A lot of people are powder wearers. I'm just not. Like, I really love to have full coverage. I love the silky, you know, just a very silky skin. So I'm planning on spraying this down with a little bit of setting spray. Oh my God, you guys, I still can't believe I'm doing makeup with powder. This is so crazy because I do not do this. Like, I feel like I'm learning myself. Okay, so I'm just really getting this all around. I'm kind of really ignoring this area because I am gonna go back with a little bit of the lighter powder to kind of really highlight it, but I'm actually really in love with that. All right, guys, so now I basically have all of my skin pretty much covered. Now, just looking at it, you guys, it is pretty medium coverage. I still see like blemishes. I still see my beard. I don't think there's any powder that can actually like cover it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take a medium dark 3, and then I'm gonna pack on medium 1 neutral. So I can, what I'm doing is I'm getting my skin color down to kind of match my bronzy shoulders. And then now what I'm gonna do is that we're gonna start to lighten up the center of the face, the forehead, the nose. You know, y'all know this, girl. Y'all already know all this. So let's go ahead and just really pack it on. And then now let's go ahead and take the lighter shade. Let's change the brush into something more flat, more firm. And then let's go ahead and pack on underneath. Oh, wow, that's so pretty. Oh, wow, this is really pretty. I don't even know how I'm gonna contour my nose. This is really pretty. It's like really bringing my face together. Highlight and contour is just it, you guys. Like, I don't know who the hell is not highlighting and contouring. Basically what I'm doing, you guys, as you guys can see here, I'm taking the brush and I'm just really working it in the areas that I want to be brightened up more. Obviously, like, I love a very bright, tight highlight. It's my favorite thing about my makeup. Now let's go ahead. I'm gonna take out the skin color one more time in medium dark 4. And we're gonna go ahead and just kind of really start to kind of blend it into that shade. I really do like this, actually. I think it's gonna look really lovely when I set it. I just don't know what to do with my nose. Oh my god. I really wanna see what it looks like set. Okay, so I'm gonna use like, just like a normal setting spray. I'm not gonna use anything to really like make it stay on or sticky or anything. So I'm just gonna use continuous setting mist from Morphe, you guys. Okay. Look at me, I'm like literally spraying it so it looks like I put on like liquid foundation. I'm not a big powder fan look, to be honest. It just looks so like dry. Wow, I can kind of see on my monitor that it looks really good and I'm really wet. Okay, wow. Wow, that is actually really pretty. Once it's like really set, or once it's like really dry, like it just looks, it looks better. Like it looks so much better set, like way better. Like I don't know who the hell is walking out the house with it not wet. I mean, I'm sure someone is. Okay, so I feel like it's dry. Okay, so it's totally dry. I'm totally, yeah, I'm actually kind of sold. So next, let's go ahead and do a little highlight. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with Jaclyn's highlighter palette. She released this about, I wanna say like a few months ago, to be honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little highlight brush, and let's just go ahead and just, oh wow. Look how pretty that is. Oh, you guys, her highlight powders are just everything. It's so like airbrush. And then let's go ahead and bronze. So today, you guys, I will be bronzing with the MAC Skin Finish bronzer, my favorite bronzer in the entire world. Like literally my favorite. I need to go buy more tomorrow. So let's go ahead and, don't look at this part, you guys. Just kind of bronze it. Wow, look at that. Oh, I'm actually really like obsessed with this. You guys, I cannot believe I literally use powders. Okay, you guys know I love to be bronze. Now we're gonna go ahead and contour with something matte. So usually when I contour something, you guys, I love using the Glamour Bronze. This is Megastar from Morphe. It's my favorite bronzer. I don't know what it is. When I'm shop for bronzers, you guys, I love a bronzer that's big. Like, don't give me no tiny ass bronzer. Like, it might be nice, but I want a bronzer that's gonna last like a long time. So I never run out of this one, you guys. It's Megastar, and it's just the fucking shit. Like, I'm telling you, like, I talk about this bronzer so much because it's just like the best. Like, look, see how like flawless, like that sandy, just really sandy like color, and it's so smooth looking on the skin. Look at that. It's just it. I'm like, was a little nervous doing this video, but I'm not mad. Wow, look at this. I'm definitely gonna spray it one more time because I liked it when it was really wet. Okay, so now let's go ahead and figure out how the fuck I'm gonna contour my nose. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and just really bring it on the bridge of the nose. I always do this, you guys. It just gives me like a little nose because I really hate my nose. I know you guys are probably like, your nose is fine, but no, bitch. I hate my nose. Okay, so I think I should use, because everything is powder, so let's go ahead and use the medium dark 3 in the one size powder for the nose. Like, why not, right? Oh wow, look at that. Oh my god, look at it. What a pretty contour color. I'm just gonna take it into the crease a little bit. You guys, I literally cannot believe I just did my whole face with powder. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using powders. Cause the one size powders are it. Like that, it's it. I'm not mad. Oh, and it's almost ready for blush. So now, face is bronze. Pretty much, I'm ready for blush. Like, I don't know what else I would put on besides my eyeshadows. So let's go and get this blush on. So you guys, should I use, I don't know if I want to use the loose powder today, but I really want to use this one. I really want to use this one. Which one should I use? Which one should I use? I wish you guys can talk to me. Okay, so I think I'm not using the pink. Not yet. I want to like take pictures. I'm gonna use this orange. I think I'm gonna mix them. Like, I'm really feeling these two. Pretty Posh and Fancy Pants. Like, what? I love those two. It's such a vibe. Let's go ahead and just kind of tap. I'm gonna tap because, bitch, I don't want to go too much because you already know her shit's about to be lit. Oh my god, look how pretty that is. Oh, I can use more. Oh my god. Look how pretty that is. Okay, you guys, so I'm getting this blush on. I want a lot of blush. I see a lot of people do blush like this. How cute. I am totally feeling it. I mean, you guys, I have severely huge cheekbones, I know. So like anything that I put on my cheekbones, it's like fucking like crazy. Now I'm just gonna cut my cheeks. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut my nose just a little bit. When people see me do this, they're just like, are you serious, Kimora? I'm like, yeah, it's called baking. The fuck? Okay, so let that little sit a little bit. This blush is really pretty. Like, I'm actually really into this blush. All right, you guys, I am gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow off camera, and I will be right back with the full final Jaclyn Hill blush and Patrick Star One Size. Like, what? I'll be right back. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. Who the hell do I think I am? Yeah, just got motherfucking done. Like, bitch, what is going on? Are we not loving these little rhinestones? Like, I just kind of felt like just putting a little rhinestone. But first of all, hold on. Let me get the fucking lip color from the Jaclyn collection. Hold on. Girl, this number, oh, y'all, listen, y'all. I love reds. I don't fuck with pinks. Like, this is probably as close to a pink that I would ever get. This lip color is so fucking pretty. Like, it's called Lip Cushion Lip Lock. It's one of those. Lip Locked? I think it's called Lip Locked. Jaclyn, amazing. I'm so gagged. I'm literally gonna leave this like literally right here on my studio, and I'm gonna wear it like to my next show. Yeah, we fucking did it. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's recap this fucking video. Skin. I'm into it. I'm fucking into that powder. Like, that powder is giving me life. First of all, you guys gotta understand, listen, I know there's a lot of beauty gurus, there's a lot of people that do beauty, okay? I know, I understand that. Everyone does beauty. But the thing about me is, not only when you guys remember, when I put on makeup, I also have to transform myself to feminize, to really give you like that piercing soft skin, to really give you the woman that I want to be. Like, you know what I mean? So you gotta understand, it's not just me putting on a powder and going out the door. Now, can I do that? Yes, now I can, because there's powder is sickening. So you guys gotta understand, so this is a big deal to me right now because I never do my face with just powder and a setting spray. Like, I'm actually very addicted. Like, I'm actually very excited and how fast it was. Like, I just, wow. Now, am I gonna replace it with liquid foundation? No, but I'm just saying now that I have an option. So yeah, super excited. Thank you ONESIZE. Thank you Patrick Star for sending this all to my studio. I love you. And honestly, like, I'm just so excited that there's like a new fun fresh product. Let's get into these blushes. Jaclyn, my girl, lady, my baby girl, like this, everything. I will challenge myself and I will do one look with the pink blush. I don't do pink blush. Kimora Blac does not do pink blush, but this collection is sickening. Congratulations. Thank you so much for sending this to my studio. I love you and I can't wait to see what's next. But other than that, you guys, I had so much fun. Thank you so much for viewing me. I love you. And thank you to everyone that has been buying the candles off my Essential Taboo brand. If you guys have not checked out my candle line yet, go ahead and check out the link down below. Thank you again for the support. I love you. And wow, a lot of people have been asking, Kimora, can you please do a wig installation? There is a video coming up next week. Wig installation by me. Very quick, very fast, easy to go. Anyone can do it. I will see you guys in a few days with another fucking video. And yeah, ta-ta. Oh my God, I didn't want to take this makeup off.